How to choose Tesla blog on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can choose Tesla blog on Google Maps. If you want to choose a Tesla supercharger or charging station on Google Maps to your nearest location, then here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your Google Maps application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now once you have opened your Google Map, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and you will access this list. From this list, you need to select settings. Find the settings option from this list and tap on it to open it. Once you land on this page, here you need to find electric vehicle settings option. Scroll down and once you find that option, tap on it to open it. Here you need to tap on this plus button to add Tesla blog. Tap on this plus button and from this list you need to tap on this Tesla icon. Tap on this Tesla option and a blue check mark will appear at the right side to indicate the selection. Now once I have selected it, come back to the previous page and there you can see you have successfully added or chose Tesla blog on Google Maps. If you want to edit further, you may also tap on this edit option at the top and choose the one you are willing to choose. After doing this, now whenever you choose any location, there you will find Tesla blog if it is available in that location. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.